Can we see your face? Agoye. Why? Luli, why do you want to see my face? Go to my bio and you speak Somali. Nune, thank you for the follow. I think where are you, baby? Or you love Sudanka? La ilaha. The gift that join now and they say you love Sudanka. Surely, guys. Someone cannot say even send me a gift. You say you love Sudanka. Laha, send money and then you follow me. Alisa, thank you. Mire, poa. You are too You are too lie. I better remove this one. No, Nikki. Ring light akas gani singi life sahi. Guys, send gifts. Ako happy I am. Anta Ayman alitend jina yake najua toa hadira nini? Na adabu. Kwa salimia bila kone. Abdi Fattah komenta kwenye photo. Ali comment nini? This is my face. Ala, unatoroka wapi tena? Ambia send hi girls. Hi Munasar. I love that name called Munasar. Wow, she's beautiful. Yeah, thank you, Nurkay. She's beautiful, absolutely. Zubair, thank you for the phone. Ambia thank you, Nur.
Thank you.
Mr. Anaya Baredu. Wow! I wish I had Adwara the pink scarf lady, mashallah. Yeah, she's beautiful. Abdiaziz. Abdiaziz, I see. In Omar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Harun. I'm ready for the gift, but you doing? Laha, send fast. Can I marry you? You a girl. This is my cousin, not my girl. Be safe, our girls. Okay, Munasar. Nitatuma gift. Na uko level ngapi? Let me confirm your level first. Level 0, Ilahi Markis. Nyaje mrembo poa. Ambia hapa WhatsApp. You are on set time. Fihan, alhamdulillah. Guys, pa WhatsApp. Accept me.